Hey, if you're here because you're looking for some affiliate marketing secrets, what are the gurus doing to make money that they're not telling you about? Well, stay tuned. I got you covered. Hey, welcome back. Once again, my name is Mark Anthony Buchanan, and today I want to share with you a strategy that most successful marketers are using, but neglect to tell you about, and that's knowing your numbers. You see, when it comes to paid ads, the difference between a winning campaign and a losing campaign is simply knowing your numbers. So let's take Facebook for example. When running Facebook ads, marketers are good at recommending a daily budget or a lifetime budget, but not necessarily tell you how to calculate and get a number that you should be using to acquire customers. So we're gonna get into that today. So again, so in Facebook, you're gonna get a lot of data, certain key metrics that you should be looking at in order to uh, in order for you to adjust and well, that will help you adjust to maintain a successful campaign. And that data includes, but not limited to, your earnings per click, which is your EPC, your cost per click, which is your CPC, your customer's lifetime value, which is your CLV. But more importantly, what we want to know in order to help figure out what you should be paying to acquire customers is we need to know what your commission is. So every time you make a sale, what's that number? How much are you getting from that sale? And we need to know your conversion rate. Let's see, conversion rate. We need to know um, for every person that comes into for every customer that you acquire, what percentage of them are actually buying your product. So to figure that out, let's go ahead and go to the next page here. Okay, so we're running Facebook ads, and we're going to use two examples. First example is going to be example one. Okay, so let's say that you have a front end product and it's paying you $100, $100 per sale. Oops, and it's converting at 2%. So, and that's just what this is saying is that um, for every 100 people that you acquire as a customer, only two of them will buy. So you make $200 for every 100 that comes in. So technically, um, you're going to need um, 50 people to come in before you make a sale, right? So to make your first sale, which is $100, you're going to need 50 customers, right? Because again, for every 100 customers that come in, you're going to make two sales. So to make your first sale, you only need 50 customers. So if you divide 100 by 50, that's going to come out to $2. So in order for you to um, in order for you to break even or to have a positive ROI in this particular campaign, you need to be spending $2 or less uh, per customer to be profitable with this campaign. Again, for every customer that you acquire in this campaign, it should cost you $2 or less for you to be positive in this campaign. If you make less than $2, I mean, if you spend less than $2 a customer, and you're getting $100 for every 50 people that comes in, you're gonna have a positive ROI. Even if you're spending a little bit more, it may be okay because they're coming into your funnel and you may have sales on the back end and things of that nature. But in order to make your money back on your Facebook ads, on your campaign, you need to be spending $2 or less on this particular campaign, right? Let's look at another example. In this example, I'm going to call this example number 2. We're going to say that we're making $25 per sale. And this is converting at 1%. So, in essence, what we're saying here is that for every 100 person that comes to your funnel, for every 100 person you acquire, only one person is going to buy. And when that person buys, you're going to make $25. So again, let's do the math. So you're going to make $25. I mean, in order to make $25, you need, I'm not going to do it like that. Well, let's do it like that. Oops. I'm not the erasing pencil. Okay. So in order to make $25, you need 100 people, right? So when we do the math, that comes out to 25 cents. So it's going to cost you, 25 looks a little raggedy. There we go. So it should cost you 25 cents or less to be profitable in this campaign if you're only making $25 a sale at 1%, at a 1% conversion rate. If you're spending $2 a customer and only making $25, you need to pause or cancel this ad immediately and figure out what's the problem here, because you're not going to make money there. You're going to lose a ton of money in this route, going this route here. So again, you have to know your numbers if you want to have a successful campaign. You have to be able to know how much are you willing to spend per customer, what you can spend per customer in order to have a successful campaign, right? And that's basically how you do it. Now, I have a training that I'm giving away more training like this in this free training I'm giving away. Just go down to the description below and click the link. It's a training series where I talk about more affiliate secrets, well, not necessarily secrets, but some things that these successful affiliates are doing that you may not know about, or how to do them. So click the link below and get this training while it's free. Now, before I go, I want you to take a look at this quote that Michael Jordan said. It's a quote by Michael Jordan, and Michael says, "I failed over and over and over again in my life. That's why I succeed." Guys, it doesn't do anybody any favors, especially not yourself, if all you're doing is acquiring knowledge, acquiring training, and not taking action. You have to take action. And if you're gonna fail, but you have to, in order to fail, in order to succeed, you have to fail. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. It's unheard of. But Um, that's what you have to do. You have to do the work, put the work in. If you fall, just get back up and keep going. Um, that's gonna wrap it up. That's all my time. Hope you enjoyed this. If you like the training, want to hear some more of it, uh, click the like button, subscribe. Have more trainings. I'm gonna comment. In the meantime, go down to the description below, click the link, and get the free training that I'm giving away. Hope to see you on the inside. Peace.